Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Bitrue to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding SHIB on Bitrue and want to move it to your own wallet for more control, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll cover everything you need to know to avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Bitrue and MetaMask set up. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet on your browser or mobile app. Ensure it's connected to the Ethereum network, since SHIB is an ERC20 token. If you're not on Ethereum, switch networks in the top drop-down menu to avoid any transfer errors. Next, log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your SHIB balance. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw option next to SHIB. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check that you're withdrawing on the Ethereum network. Bitrue might offer other options, but for MetaMask, Ethereum is key. Now, enter your MetaMask wallet address. To get this, go back to MetaMask, click on your account icon, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Don't forget to specify the amount of SHIB you want to send. Start small if you're testing. You'll also see a network fee. This is the gas fee for the Ethereum blockchain, so keep an eye on it to avoid surprises. After reviewing all the details, hit Confirm or Withdraw. Bitrue will process your request, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, switch back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your SHIB tokens appear. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, in 2025, keep an eye on any updated regulations or fees that might affect transfers. That's it for the steps. You've now successfully moved your SHIB to MetaMask, giving you full control over your assets. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.